Mile 1. Mile 2. Okay. Butthole. Mile 3.
all of the water that falls on these slopes.
If you could only do one of the two mountains on this trail, I would definitely go for Stone Mountain. The climb up to Stone Mountain is nothing crazy, but it's just more of a fun hike, and the views at the top of Stone Mountain are way better than they are at Round Mountain. Unless of course you got a drone, then it really doesn't matter. You can just shoot it up into the air and have a look around. Not a lot of people on the trail today. Mainly the only ones we saw were locals. Not a lot of people drive out of their way to do these hikes, but I like to explore and try and get in as many hiking trails under my belt as I can. Today's total hiking distance. Today's total elevation gain. This trail is dog friendly. The trail itself is mostly made up of rock, dirt, and there's a ton of switchbacks on the trail as well. Overall, I would give the difficulty rating moderate. I recently decided that in the near future, I want to quit my full-time job and just hike full-time. So if you enjoyed this video, you can help me reach this goal by hitting that like button, subscribing, leave a comment, help your boy reach his long-term goal of going hiking full-time. That's gonna wrap things up for Emily and I today. Back down here at the trailhead, there is a restroom that is open at this time, and this is looking at the trailhead parking area. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dave Spates. See you on the next hike.